How to set up and add maintenance work order on Softinn PMS. You would like to create a work order task for your maintenance worker. With the work order features on Softinn PMS, you can easily assign a maintenance task to a worker, monitor the repairing process, and even close a room for it. Check out this video to find out how to set up and add work order tasks on Softinn PMS. Log in to Softinn PMS. You need to choose the right property. Click on the Housekeeping tab and select Work Order. This is the work order dashboard. You can view the work order status, room number, work order task, and photo, if any. You can see when a room is closed for maintenance tasks. The work order tasks are assigned to which worker, and task priority. You can also view, edit, or delete the task. How to invite maintenance worker on Softinn PMS. Click on the Setup tab. Click on Housekeeping and select Maintenance Worker. Click on the Add Maintenance Worker button. You could insert the maintenance worker name and reference ID. You could insert his or her email. You could create a password for the maintenance worker. Click on the Save Changes button. Maintenance worker will receive an email invitation. The worker will use this email and password to log into Softinn PMS. To log into Softinn PMS, workers need to click on Login here. Maintenance worker can log into Softinn PMS using a computer or mobile. Once logged in, your worker would see the pending task on his work order dashboard. If the task is attached with an image, the worker can click on the image icon to view the photo attached. The maintenance worker can also report any lost and found item on the dashboard. Besides, he can also add any work order task himself on the dashboard too. This is the mobile view to log into Softinn PMS for maintenance worker. The maintenance worker logged into Softinn PMS. This is the work order dashboard. Click on the three dots icon to view the given task. Click on the View button. This is the task details given to the maintenance worker. Add work order task by front desk officer. To add a work order by front desk officer, he or she can click on the Add Work Order button. You will need to select room number or other location in hotel. You will need to insert the maintenance task. Then insert the photo, if any. You can tick on Close Room. You can select the room close date and time. You need to select Open for the status. Next, select the task priority. You need to assign it to the correct maintenance worker. Click on the Save Changes button. You have successfully added a new work order task. Work order status for room can be seen from Room Status page. Click on the Room tab and click Room Status. Room in gray color means an open work order task is pending for completion. Once the work order is added, your maintenance worker will see this on his work order dashboard. The maintenance worker will see the task. The maintenance worker can put remarks, if any. Once the work order task is done, the maintenance worker can click Completed. To mark complete for the task completed, the worker can click on the Completed button from his work order dashboard. Once your worker has clicked Completed on the task, front desk officer could view the status of the work order in PMS change to Completed. The work order status is completed. The room status would also be updated. The room is not in gray color anymore at Room Status page. Add work order task by maintenance worker. A worker can add maintenance tasks from his work order dashboard. Click on the Add Work Order Task button. You need to select room number or other location in the hotel. Then insert the maintenance task. You could insert the photo, if any. You need to select the task priority. Click on the Save Changes button. After the worker added a work order, front desk officer would be seeing the created task in PMS. The task status is open. To assign the task to the right maintenance worker, front desk just click on the Edit button. You could tick on Close Room. Then select the room close date and time. You need to assign it to the correct maintenance worker. Click on the Save Changes button. If the given task couldn't be able to be completed due to some reason, then the maintenance worker can put a remark in the work order task to inform the front desk officer. To do so, the maintenance worker can click on the Remark button, and then insert the details. Click on the Submit Remark button. This is how you could add remarks from your mobile phone. Click on the three dots icon. Click on the Remarks button. You could insert the details. Click on the Submit Remark button. If worker left any remark to a given task, front desk officer could view the remarks in PMS too. To view the remarks left by the worker, front desk officer just click on the eye icon of the work order task. The remarks left by the worker will be showing here. In this scenario or example, the work order can't be completed because the spare part of the aircon will only be arriving in 2 weeks' time. Front desk officer will change the task status to abandon and do a follow-up until the spare part has arrived. To change the work order status, front desk officer click on the Edit button. You need to select the room close date and time. You need to change the status to abandon. Click on the Save Changes button. Let's manage your maintenance work order task on Softinn PMS.
Hello, thanks for watching this video. This is Jason from Softinn. I'm the CEO of Softinn. At Softinn, my job is to make sure that the company delivers value to our customers and the hotels. And also it's my job to make sure the team is motivated and also have fun doing their job. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.